this place.
Oh, totally. It's got that basement smell.
What is this thing?
Ah, I see you have a keen eye. That there is our monkey's paw. It's said to grant wishes, but take heed. Some wishes come with grave consequences.
Yeah, we know the story. Monkey's paw. I wish for $1 million. Yeah, I know. Is it supposed to do that?
Honestly, it's a new one for me. I've never seen that happen. Try asking it again.
Monkey's paw. I wish for $1 million.
Flipping you off.
What did I do? I know this thing's cursed and all, but it doesn't have to be an asshole about it.
What if I give it a little shot?
Sure, go ahead. It's just gonna flip you off.
Monkey's paw. I wish for $1 million.
Really? Come on!
Oh, it's just a game. It's not real. Hold on 1 second. Hello? Oh my God. Yes, I understand. Thank you. My aunt just died. And she's leaving me all of her money. I'm a fucking millionaire!
You goddamn monkey! That should be my dead ants!
I warned you. The spirit world is unpredictable.
Yeah. We all get the ironic twist on a wish trope, but why is it telling me to go fuck myself?
Wait, look.
What do you want? Is it my shirt? Is there something on my shirt? Oh, God damn it! Goddamn monkey! Real mature. Stroking your monkey penis. Yeah, that's. Oh, and now you're shooting monkey semen all over my face. Oh, fuck you.
Come on, it's just a ham. It's just like a ham.
I just wanted $1 million. Is that so much to ask for?
Yes, hello. I have a large check for a Reese Westwood.
Oh, that's mine. Give me. No. Oh, they got the name wrong. I got the name wrong. It says pay to the order of fuck you, you fucking asshole! You goddamn monkey! I'm gonna.
That was clearly self-defense.